This super project is Axelar, and how interesting is it? Let me summarize briefly. Imagine the old days as the ontology era, where the internet was concentrated only on the enterprise group. After the development of the worldwide system, the intranets that were originally concentrated and used only by the wealthy, corporations, and companies took the network. Today it come plug and become the internet world today. So I think how Axelar will change the blockchain world for sure, because it creates the main road that allows all chains to the plugin. Now it's chain plus every project competes to make bridge plus multi-chain, etc. There is no standard for the cross-chain at all. If Axelar can become a standard, it's cross-chain. It will go to the moon. Before we talk about Axelar, let's talk about the problem Axelar wants to solve first. That is, the current cross-chain problem is interoperability. I will give an example of a platform that will solve these problems, divided into 4 main types. 1. Centralized system. This system is very easy to scale. Imagine exchange can list trading pairs very quickly and easily. But the disadvantage is that this system requires a high level of trust. And we don't want to rely too much on the current DeFi system. 2. Interoperability hub. This format will fix scaling issues with sidechains or extend the blockchain more broadly than before. For example, Cosmos, Polkadot, Avalab, etc. The advantage is that the system is completely interconnected with each other. But if you have to connect to an external system, you need a third party to create a platform to connect again. 3. Pairwise bridges. Another option that solves the problem of interoperability is the use of wrapped assets such as TBTC, WBTC, etc. Disadvantages are very difficult scaling and complicated working principles. Think of it this way, building WBTC on every chain requires a dev to build smart contracts on every chain. It requires a lot of engineering. 4. Single-purpose bridge. Making different bridges to send assets across. Stuck with the same scaling problem. If a bridge is to B and B has bridges to C, it still doesn't make A and C talk. Whatever the solution, there will be problems, whether it's labor-intensive scaling or a closed system that requires labor to make communication more universal. Each platform is unable to create a network that is 100% connected in one place. And how does the Axelar work? TLDR is a protocol that makes cross-chain communication as convenient as using the internet and is designed as a 2-layer protocol. 1. Axelar has its own portal, gateway, CGP. For users, it is the basic layer that manages cross-chain such as token, liquidation, etc. 2. CTP, embedding a protocol called cross-gateway with other chains such as ETH, BSC, Matic, allowing the cross-chain process to occur immediately without the user having to do anything. Axelar intends to solve this problem in order to create a network that simplifies cross-chain communication based on the following features. 1. Ability plug and play, makes it as easy for developers to connect to other blockchains as it is plug and play, and Axelar streamlines asset and liquidity movement through smart contract. 2. Routing across chains as easily as connecting to the internet with integrate hub or gateway and create a gateway that connects to the ecosystem. 3. Resistant to upgrades, if part of the system is updated, the system must not have downtime. 4. It has a universal protocol that makes it easy to communicate like HTTP/HTTPS protocol. 5. Users can use any asset through your wallet to create active liquidity in the blockchain ecosystem. The result is that Axelar is designed to solve interoperability issues, but it builds like another layer of blockchain over multiple blockchains. Of course, the future trend cross-chain is going to get a lot of attention because Layer 1, Layer 2 are all built right now. Also, the liquidity is sparse if the smart contract can be called to aggregate data. There will be a lot of new innovations, whether it's GameFi that works on every blockchain or DeFi that can use liquidity from every blockchain. Axelar is just the foundation to make cross-chain easy and open up endless possibilities for writing smart contracts.